You back?
Yeah. I was in the area, and, any chance of a cuppa?
You best come in. I never got a chance to thank you.
What for?
Legging it when I needed a pal.
I'm sorry, Al. But when that TV thing went belly up, I was ashamed, Al. I just wanted to run away.
Me too, me monkey chum. But I didn't. I stayed and faced the music. So, where have you been?
Oh, around.
Okay. Right, you. In. One cup of PG. Just how you like it.
3 stairs clockwise.
2 stairs back.
1 3/4 sugars.
Show it the milk. How long you back for?
I'd like to stay a while. If you'll have me.
Brilliant.
I thought we could make a fresh start.
Get back into the advertising game.
The old team!
The team!
What on earth?
Oh, you'll have to get used to that. I've let the big room out to that Carol Decker from Tapau.
Does she play the tune often?
24/7. I quite like it, actually.
Yeah, Al. Me too.